Happy holidays, everybody. Hey, listen, you done seen the thumbnail, you done read that title, you know what I mean? We just come past Thanksgiving, right? So now that we quickly approaching, Christmas, listen, we want to put some different dishes on the, on our Christmas table, right? So today I'm getting ready to show you guys just how easy it is to make. And when I say easy, I mean easy. Today, listen, check this out. We're making a sweet potato casserole. Let's get it. Okay, so you see we just went over all of the ingredients, right? So you saw those, look. Now, I've already pre-boiled my, my sweet potatoes, right? They already fork tender. I stuck a toothpick all the way through the fat part of them, and they already like super soft, right? So now I'm gonna take these, move these over here to the to my sink. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some cold water to it. Get them to cool, and then when they cool enough for me to handle them, I'm gonna go ahead and peel them. Okay, so look, I'm gonna show you, this is how I do it. Obviously, it's cooled enough for me to put my hands on it, right? So just take it, I just make a little small cut like this. I try to just stay on the top. Don't want to just cut too deep, right? Now that I have it like this, take my thumb and I just start peeling it back this way. I just put the water in there. Sometimes this peels off like that. If it do, no worries. Better for you if you get it to, do it the right way, right? Then you just come here and do the same thing. You want to find where you had that little crease at. You know what I mean? You want to keep the meat, but I did so many, I got enough. Just do them like this, peel them and bring them around. Super easy, folks. Main thing is, I'm gonna tell you this, and I ain't really gotta tell you that, but here's a pro tip for you. Make sure they're cooled enough so you can handle them in your hand. Okay, so look, now you see I got them peeled. I want you guys to come on here and take a look real fast. If you look at them right now, might not look like the greatest and all of that, you know what I'm saying? Because look, it's all stringy, but I can promise you it's soft, right? So look, over here, I got my hand blender, right? We're gonna go ahead and use this. This works. Now, if you look at all of the ingredients that we have, look, this is almost like a dump and go, because we're gonna take all of that and put it in here. And as always, listen, the full ingredient list will be down in the description box below. All right, so back to what I was saying. Look, this is like a dump and go, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my eggs. If you guys get a chance, get them hen eggs, folks. If you see them in the grocery store. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding a little bit of my spice, right? I'm gonna go ahead and add it all. Reason I said just a little bit the first time, because look, I want to go ahead and get in here with my hand blender. Then I want to start, slow, right? If you boiled your sweet potatoes, they should just, work just like this. You see how smooth and how easy it is? It's effortlessly, being done. Right? So this is just the start right here. Now we come with that extract. Yeah, you see it coming together, folks. Look, I'm gonna go with this sugar. I'm trying to make your mouth water, right? And then check it out, we're gonna come with that butter. Look at that right there. If that ain't food porn 101, I don't know what is. Start off on low, and look at that right there. Just like we did at Thanksgiving for that pie. Kick it up just a little bit. Work it on the top. Okay, and then we're gonna come with our evaporated milk. You see how it's coming together now? Look, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna put about 3/4 can inside of here. Get it nice and smooth. It'll start to thicken back up once we get everything incorporated. Add a little bit more. Now I'm like right at half. This right here is good for me. I just want to take a look at it because you don't want to put too much in there, right? I'd rather have not enough so I can add just a little bit more. Kick it up a little bit. You want to get your spatula and you just want to work it around the edges, right? Because we want to make sure all of it is incorporated the right way. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit more to this right here. And that look like that right there will do it, folks. Okay, so look, whatever dish you're gonna prepare yours, you wanna go ahead and just spray it. A little non-stick spray. You guys can do it old school and just put the butter, right? That'll work too. All right, now I'm gonna take this. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some of this inside of here like that. Oh yeah. The reason I didn't use no 13 by 9, we got another table. I'm gonna get another dish and I'm gonna prepare it that way. So what I do right here is, I just put it in here. Look at how thick it is, right? And I can make sure it matches all the way around. I can always add some more to it. We at 375 degrees, which I should have told you guys already. Go ahead and preheat your oven too. We got everything down in there like that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna put this down more towards the bottom, right? We're just gonna go ahead and heat it up. I'm gonna say give it about 15 minutes uncovered like that. Then we're gonna get these marshmallows ready, pull them out, put them on top, and then we'll go from there. All right, you guys, take a look at that right there. Let me go ahead and move this over. I don't know if you can capture that color right there, but when you put it in there, it's been in there for about 13 minutes. And that right there gets your color right. Okay, so look, now we're gonna go ahead and just add a topping onto it, right? You can add any type of topping that you would like, right? So you can put not peanuts, it's walnuts and pecans. That's what I was trying to say. You know what I mean? Forgive me, folks. My mouth is just watering and my brain is going. Why? Because I want to get a piece of this right here. Now I just want to really like get one layer. That's why you see me like kind of like pushing them around the way I'm doing. You know what I mean? We don't want to get that big giant layer on there. There it is. I'll bring it a little bit closer. You can see it, look, just one row marshmallows over the top, right? I'm finna put this in there. I raised my temperature up to 450 degrees. I'm finna stand by this oven. I'm finna watch it. Should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Then it should be just right. Okay, look, so you can see I got 2 different ones right here, right? All of that came from them 4 big sweet potatoes. Now here's the key. I don't know how you guys, I don't know how big your family is or who's coming over for the Christmas holiday, right? But usually we have 2 tables, right? We got a table set for the grown-ups, and then we have a table that's set for the, you know, for like the kids, right? So you could put one of these out on each one of the tables and you'll have everybody covered. This right here don't last long, folks, because listen, as soon as they get it, this is sweet potato pie with that topping on there. This right here, all the kids, all the grown-ups love it. Hey, super simple. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this cool, right? Before I do any type of cut, just to show you guys. And more than likely, I'm gonna get my thumbnail, do all of that, and what I'm gonna do is after I cut it, I'm gonna take a picture of it, right? And I'm gonna post it in my community tab so you guys will see what it looks like. So listen, if you're new to my channel and you like this type of content, because listen, I put out content that's seasonal, you know what I mean? I cover everything from spring, fall, summer, winter, football season, basketball season, I cover it all, right? So if you like this, don't forget to smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, folks, I'm out. Peace.